Hey everyone, welcome back to the virtual showroom. Got another nice one, 2019 Toyota. Let's have a look at this one. Local trade, recently just traded into us. Customers had to go into a Santa Fe, needed something a little bit bigger. CHR, ready to rock. Really like the outside look of this car, or I should say crossover utility vehicle. It's nice and low. You get lots of cool features. You got the alloy wheels, turn signal indicators on the mirrors. The door handles are really up top. It's really nice. It's kind of different and you know, in its own right, kind of a neat vehicle. So again, CHR, local trade. I'll walk up the top here. You can see no cracks in the windshield or anything like that. Roof's in nice shape. And again, it's all about transparency, transparency, transparency. So that's why we do these videos. Like the mats are still, the cloth mats are still in the bag. You get the leather mats as well. Those can all be obviously removed. Your seats are split folding 60-40. You have anchors on the seats as well. You can also remove this cover if you need additional storage room. So again, the cover's nice if you have stuff in there. However, if you're doing a little project at home, you need it, you can take that out, fold the seats down. Again, versatile, 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 versatile. So here's your door handles up here. Really neat. Nice cloth back seats. You can see no rips or anything like that. Carpets are all in nice shape. Again, we like to show you all this, so if you're like me and you do a little bit of shopping from home, power windows in the rear, cup holders, you know exactly what it's going to look like when you come in to possibly purchase this vehicle or put it on maybe your shopping list. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, locking rear windows as well. Great feature for the kids. You have an adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. So power lumbar support, manually adjustable seat with power lumbar support. You've got the ability to adjust your interior illumination. You've got your automatic lights. All right, let's jump in. Turn this one on. Cool ourselves down a little bit. It is going to be a hot day here. Alrighty. So what else do you get in this? You got Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition, all here. All you see your volume controls as well. Cruise controls on this side as well. You also have lane departure warning, and you also have front sensors. Oh, I'm just going to turn that down a little bit. Yeah, you also get sensors as well in the front of the vehicle. So lots of neat stuff in this vehicle. You also have an electric parking brake. You get traction controls you can shut off. So again, lots no more levers or anything like that. It's all basically done by touch, which is nice and handy. What else do you have? You got power, you got heated seats, 3-stage on both sides. You've got dual zone climate control, front rear defrost, air conditioning obviously, which I have on right now because it is hot outside. You got a really nice touch screen here. We'll go through it a little bit. You got good sized backup camera. So again, lots of cool things. Phone, oh, we're gonna go back here. Audio, menu, setup. So again, you can customize the vehicle, lots of neat things in the vehicle. Really to use, very functional, nice and big too, so you don't have to worry about kind of squinting or seeing anything. So yeah, really nice vehicle. I'm very impressed with this Toyota. It's a nice fuel efficient 4-cylinder vehicle, low kilometers as you've already seen, 38,000, local trade-in. So again, lots going for it. We only have one, so don't miss out. Last time we had one, it sold to a guy, I believe, about 7 hours away. So they are in demand. So again, 2019 Toyota CHR. I was going to say HCR for some reason. CHR, local trade, 38,000 kilometers, lots of standard features, which we've been over. Shop 24/7 at seawayhenry.com. And of course, make sure you follow us on Facebook. Lots and tons and lots of giveaways. Whether you're in the market or not, it definitely pays to follow us on Facebook. See you soon, and we look forward to helping you with your next newer pre-owned vehicle.